Okay, yesterday we have learned numbers and factors of numbers. Numbers begin with 1. Now, the next number is 2. Okay, we know what 2 is. 2 fingers. Okay. Now, factor of 2 means, can we have a smaller number than 2, which when repeatedly added gives us 2? Yes, we can take 1.
1. 1 plus 1
Is 2.
is 2.
But 1 we don't count. Okay? So, there is no factor for 2 other than 2. So, this is called a prime
Prime
number.
factor, prime number.
A prime number. Okay? Now, next number is 3. Can we find a smaller number which when repeated gives us 3?
3. 1 plus.
Yes or no?
No.
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 Can we find a smaller number which when repeatedly added gives 3? No.
No. No.
Of course we can take 1 3 times and add, but that 1 is there for any number. So we don't count that as a factor. Now can we take 2?
2.
The first 2, the second 2. If we add, it becomes
4.
so it's not 3. So this has no factor other than itself. So 3 times 1. That's the only factor.
Factor.
Now 4. Now can we take 4 and find out which number smaller than 4 when repeatedly added gives us 4?
2.
2. Yes.
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2. So we have taken 2 repeatedly and added, and we get 4. So this implies 2 a factor of
4.
4. Okay. Now another short symbol for 2 plus 2 is by way of times. To the right of times, we write the number which is repeated.
2.
That is 2. How many times is 2 taken?
2 times.
Twice. So
Twice.
here to the left. Now,
2 times.
there is 2 times 2. So here 2 is repeated. 2 is repeated and multiplied. Then we have another short symbol for this, and that is the exponent form. The number that is repeated, which is 2, is written, and that is called base. How many times is number repeated here?
2
2
times.
Therefore, that 2 is written small and towards the right and on the top. So this small 2 here on the right side top is called exponent. So the number that is repeated is 2, that is big, we call it base. Number of times this number base is repeated is twice. So that 2 is written as the exponent in a smaller size letter and to the right and above like this. So we say 4 is square of 2. Of course we know this.
Yes.
We know square of 2, it has 4 little squares like this. We can arrange them like this. This is first little square, with the second little square, with third little square, with the fourth little square. Looking this way we have 2 squares. Looking this way we have 2 little squares. So we have 2 2's. First 2,
Second 2.
and this way also, first 2, second 2. So whether we look this way or this way, we have 2 2's. 2 times 2. So we say 4, the number of little squares in this outline is a square. And we say it's a square of 2. And this is how we can write. So a square of 2 means you have 2 times 2. Next, 6. Well, you notice that the next number is 5. And is there a number which can be repeated? to get 5?
No.
Is there a smaller number than 5 which when repeated gives us
5
5?
minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay.